Edwin Ran, our school administrator, Sir Roby Aklan, our judges, Miss Christian Joy Bunyan, Mrs. Munafer Ayover, Mrs. Jenna Ladaran, the chairman of the board, and to our students and parents, good morning.
Good morning.
To be here celebrating your 11th Foundation Day is a blessing to all of us. To be honest, dako kayo akong kalipay that you gave me this chance as my first visit here. Seeing your bright smiles remind me of how beautiful when we will still young, filled with faith, knowledge, love, and of course, learning. I am deeply honored and proud na hindi pa rin taong ko aling Biraka. Mga nga, naghahandog ka ayon sa lahat, pastor, and of course, the people behind the schools, thank you so much. Unya, naghahandog ka ayon maning mga taga-kanang